Professional, premium aftermarket replacement. Provides the performance and dependability you expect from ACDelco. Manufactured to meet expectations for fit, form, and function. The ACDelco Professional, premium aftermarket door lock kit contains the high-quality replacement parts ideal for many vehicles on the road today. It comes with everything you need to replace a door lock on your vehicle. This premium aftermarket replacement kit meets the performance standards you would expect from ACDelco. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect replacement. Works great. Don't expect the keys to say GM because it's not labeled.